Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco, and Porvorim.
They are migrants who come to Goa and they work in different restaurants, shacks, hotels, बाकीचे as a construction site, mason, electricity department हांव आपयतलो ऑफिसान on Monday, today is Saturday. I have come to know a lot of things. I am Munisri धाडलेले to check. We have got all the photographs. तांकां हाडून दिसता ना what you are doing about this. How can you release electricity connection to so many shanties like this which are touching each other?
So there is a migrant influx in Kalangut, sir? You believe there is a migrant influx in Kalangut?
No, there is no migrant influx in Kalangut. I have told you that these two wards, there are migrants who are staying in a large number. And the owners who are giving this on rent is also at risk. ते तेंच्यांनी चिंतपाक जाय. फाल्यां अशें जावंक नाका की तेंकां चोरून कोण तरी मायग्रंट गेलो म्हणजे तेंचे सगळे भांगार बिंगार चोरून कित्याक तेंची ड्युटी आहा पुलीस व्हेरिफिकेशन करपाक ते करिना ओनर. एक हेचेर जालो चोरयेचेर. दुसरे सेफ्टी मेजर जो तुमी म्हटला पळय तो फायर. हे दोनूय गजाली करपाची गरज आहा. आय विल रायट लेटर टू both this department, electricity as well as fire. Tenant verification जावपाकूच जाय न्हू. Tenant verification no compromise.